Clamping cauls is a conventional solution for panel glue up. However, it involves a lot of clamps and takes more operating time to set up the cauls. The SKOOL panel clamps are designed to improve the panel glue-up process. It provides exceptional clamping pressure and keeps the panel stocks level. The 4-way clamp makes the gluing operation more convenient and delivers better results. The panel clamp's 4-way pressure system efficiently prevents panel stocks from warping or misaligning, ensuring the entire board stays flat. The clamping capacity allows you to cope with panels up to 36 inches wide and 3 inches thick. That makes it a perfect tool for gluing up tabletops like dining tables, coffee tables, workbenches, or countertops. The mounting brackets add versatility to store these long clamps and save precious space in your workspace.